Well, hello everybody, it's Bella here from RachandBellaCrafts in her Bella's Crafty Studio. And I've come along to just do a flip through of the giveaway to thank you for my subscribers giveaway. And I just want to really say that I'm blown away. I just can't believe how kind everybody has been, lovely comments and all the rest of it, and for liking and subscribing. I just want to say a special mention to Laura Fritz. Hello, Laura. And I loved your comment. And it was Rachel's suggestion that I come on and I say hello to Laura. And her cat apparently is named Bella. So hello, Bella. It's Bella here, giving a wave to Bella the cat. So thank you, Laura, for your lovely comment, and give her a touch from me. Right, so this is the giveaway. It's just a little something that I wanted to do to say thank you for your kindness and just subscribing and liking and all the other things that you've all done on Facebook and everything. So I'm going to do the flip through and then I'll tell you then how you can enter for the giveaway. Okay, so here she is. She's got, let me make sure I'm in frame, yes. I've just been adding some more lace and butterflies, and that's the front. So I've tied her up with some seam binding. I'm not sure what you call this, but I think it is seam binding. But anyway, there we go. And that's the cover. A little bit of material there, some lace on the bottom, music paper and a butterfly. I put music paper down there and on here. I've just added this lace here just to finish off the edge. And I put this little plate on the front here with some lace and a butterfly. And you saw me doing the stitching around the edge if you watched my previous video. So here she is. I'm just going to do a quick flip through, and I put some lace down here, and I've added some of this crinkly paper that I sprayed. And it's only, I can't think of the name of it now. It's not tissue paper, it's the other one, tracing paper. And I sprayed it. I put butterflies on here. Oh, and I put lace trim down here. Don't know whether you can see. Yeah. Make sure. Let me just check you're completely in frame. Yes, you are. There we go. Done that. Lots of lovely papers in here as well. That's the collage I did with Rachel's Masterboard Challenge. Edith Holden papers. As I said, that's out of my dad's lovely book. So that's quite old. That's quite old. And I've just put some lace on here and finished that one off. Isn't that pretty? These are all out of RachandBellaCrafts kit. And it's called Nana's Roses. Little envelope there that I've done. Pop that on there with a little paper clip. That's that one. That's off the masterboard as well. The pockets are made of the masterboard as well. I put lace down here. I've got lace on here on the edge of this one. Let's see if I can get that back in. I couldn't get it in the other day. There we go. That'll do for now. I don't know why it does that. I put some lace on the bottom here as well. All right. Put a butterfly on there because I didn't want to put anything over this lovely little girl. Little pocket down there. This is the masterboard one again. A butterfly there. Edith Holden, my dad's book. That's out of a book. English literature has got on there. The companion to the English literature. Edith Holden again, and I put a butterfly here and a bird and a butterfly on there with some lace. That's out of the kit. And I've just done that. Isn't the stitching lovely on this? Beautiful. I just put a little label on there and lace down there and lace on here. And that's a beautiful little girl there. She's sweet. So there we are. That's the little folder. And I shall now tell you how you can enter. So Rachel's done this for me. She's so clever. This is the thank you subscribers giveaway, Rach and Bella's giveaway competition. And this is how you enter. Number 1, visit giveaway video on Bella's Crafty Studio channel. Number 2, like Bella's video, leave a comment and subscribe. Number 3, visit giveaway video on Rach and BellaCrafts channel. Number 4, like Rachel's video, leave a comment and subscribe. And follow our Instagram pages for extra entries, Rach and Bella, and a little dash there, crafts and Bella's Crafty Studio, because I've just done a changed the name on my Instagram. Well, Rachel did it yesterday actually, and so I'm up as Bella's Crafty Studio now. Okay, so I don't know whether that's in view or not. I'll put the bottom bit up a bit higher. There we go. So that's how you enter. So if you're interested, please come along to Rach and Bella, and also to my Crafty Studio, Bella's Crafty Studio. Thanks for watching, and thanks for coming along with me, and thank you again for all your lovely comments. Cheerio. Bye.